what we're going to discuss is how to create a page inside Canvas and really what the purpose of pages are. So you're going to see there are two ways to do this. One, we can go to the actual Pages tab and we can create a page through here. Or we can go back to our modules and we can create a page inside of our module. Let's go ahead and do that for our welcome module. So I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to press the drop down list and I'm going to select page. I will then press new page and then give this a name. So I want this to be how to use Canvas. And we'll go ahead and make this a level 1 indentation so the students will see it better. And then we'll add it to our list here. Oh, I forgot. I made a page already. But anyways, let me go ahead and delete this one and I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So let's go ahead and press this page that we've just created. Now it is -2 because I forgot that I have a separate page named the same thing. But we can edit this and call it something else. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to press the button that has the pencil. It says edit. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a new name actually. And I'm going to call this All You Need to Know. Okay. And then inside this text box here, I can start to put the information. So I can say, welcome to my class. All right. And then I can give them some more information about the week. So I can organize this, I can change the text color, I can do all of that. So let's go ahead and say, I'm going to say assignments. And then I can create a bullet point list of the things that they're going to be completing. So maybe there's a discussion. Oops. Right, and then maybe there's a quiz they will need to complete, and then a short video for them to watch. So those can be the assignments for the week. And I can really do whatever I like with these pages here. I can say, any information I'd like the students to be aware of. If I want, I can put my whole lesson inside of here. So if I want the students to maybe read a passage, I can post the passage inside here. If I'd like the students to watch a video, for example, I can go to this video button. I can record myself going over the lesson, or I can upload a file on my own. I can also link websites in here using this link tool. I can insert media, and by the media it means like I can embed anything in here. I can post any type of video source and it'll put it inside of my page here. I can do a table and have that be a part of my page. Like I said, I can change the color of my text by going up here and changing the color. There aren't a lot of color options, but that's alright. I can also increase my font size as well by going here, making it 24. Okay, and so once I'm finished making my page, I can go ahead and press save. If I'd like the students to see it right away, I can say save and publish, and it'll do both of those things at the same time. So let's go ahead and press that. And as you can see at the top, it's been published. Maybe I didn't want it to be published, so I can unpublish it by pressing that button, publish it again by pressing it again. The other really cool thing that Canvas offers is a reader. So like for example, maybe students have a hard time viewing the text, or maybe you've got younger students like kindergartners or first graders who can't read everything just yet. This will read it to them so that they can get the information they need. So that's actually a really great feature, especially for any type of maybe visually impaired students who can't see all the words correctly or have dyslexia. It's just a really nice feature inside of Canvas. Alright, so the next thing we can do is we can also use this as a front page. And when we say use it as a front page, it means that if the students press pages, this is the first page they will see. Most of the time, I use this for something else that's a little more advanced, so I'll go into that information in a later video. But that's all you really need to know about how to use pages. You can add whatever you like, you can say whatever you like that pertains to your class in here, and you can create it in a way that is engaging to the students and makes it a little easier to understand. So that will conclude this video. The next video, I'm going to show you how you can make a quiz in Canvas.